Organizing and labeling your tasks correctly can make a big difference in your daily productivity. Specific and discrete task names will help you stay focused on one assignment without being distracted. It will keep you within the guardrails of that activity and allow you to achieve more in less time. These specific names will give you a greater sense of control at a more granular level. General Eisenhower, the 34th American president, was famous for leveraging specificity of task names to help prioritizing his to-dos under these labels. Important and urgent. Important but not urgent. Not important but urgent. Not important and not urgent. Eisenhower would start with the first bucket of specific tasks and work his way down from there. This organizing strategy will help you be more productive at the start of your day and stay motivated throughout the day. Now, take a look at your playlist. Make sure all your tasks are specifically named. And then, let's flow.